Let us start with some values, or we can say a problems which has been given on the base of a equation. Based on a equation, we have to read the equations very carefully, and based on that we have to create a certain condition. Here from a sum number 3, there are total 3 plus 3, 6 sums has been given, which is a very easy, where we have to apply the same method of the substitution. At the same time, you have to keep in mind that same sum may ask in elimination as well as in a that cross multiplication method also. Let us see by the method of a substitution. Sum number third, difference between two number is 26 and one number is a 3 times the other. Find that number, let the number be is equal to x and other number be is equal to y. The difference between that two is equal to 26, so we can do that, and that number will be a 3 times then another number, so greater number will be a x as we have taken, so smaller number will be a 3 times of that, so x is equal to 3y. Here x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is your equation number 2. So x minus y is going to become a 26. X is equal to 3y. We'll put the value of x over here, 3y minus y, that is going to give you 26. 3y जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, so we'll consider this as a 1. So 1y, 3y minus 1y, that is equal to 2y, that is going to give you 26. So y on dividing we are going to get a 13. Placing in equation number 1, x minus 13 is equal to 26. So x is going to give you 39. तो x value क्या आ जाएगा 39. Hence greater number is a 39 and a smaller number is 13. Now let the greater angle, second, the larger of a two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by a 18 degree. Find them. एक और दूसरे एंगल के बीच के अंदर गैप जो है that is a 18 डिग्री का है, and they all both the angles are supplementary. Let the greater angle is equal to x, smaller number angle is equal to y, so x is greater than y. As per condition 1, x plus y is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 180. This is equation number 1. And condition number 2, difference is 18, so x minus y is equal to 18. This is equation number 2. Now applying and substitution method, x is equal to 180 minus y हो जाएगा, so 180 minus y is equal to 18. 180 ये यहाँ पे से लेके जाएंगे, it is going to give you a 180 minus 18 is equal to minus y and minus y, that is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to 162. We get y is equal to 81. Placing in equation, x is equal to 180 minus 81, so answer x is equal to 99. Hence greater angle is 99 and other angle is equal to 81. So greater is x, so x is equal to 99 and y is equal to 81. Here we are going to get the answers with the help of substitution method. Now let us see sum number 3. Let the cost of bat and ball and some condition has been given on the base of the purchase. Let the cost of the bat x, cost of the ball y, but obvious है x क्या होगा बड़ा, greater compared to the y. A small condition that you have to keep in mind. Applying condition 1, 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. This is your equation number 2. 7x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, इक्वेशन 1 को चेंज करेंगे, 3800 minus 6y. So x is equal to 3800 minus 6y upon 7. Placing in equation number 2, 3800 minus 6y upon 7 plus 5y is equal to 1750. Now on simplifying and taking LCM, will get 11400 minus 6 3s are 18y, 7 5s are 35, and 1750 multiplied by 7, that is 12250. 35 minus 18, that is equal to 17y, is equal to 850. The value of y is equal to 50. placing value x 3800 minus here 6 5 are 300 upon 7, so 3500 by 7, then we are going to get the value of x is equal to 500. Hence the cost of the bat is equal to 500 rupees and ball is equal to 50 rupees. Here same sums as frequently asked in past for the method of elimination. एलिमिनेशन में सबसे ज़्यादा बार पूछा गया सम है. नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 4 is for a homework. Here they had asked about the traveling by a auto rickshaw or taxi. Their fixed charge is we have to assume as an x, and after that for every coverage of a 10 kilometer or whatever kilometer you are traveling, you have to pay some fixed another charge. So you have to consider that as an y. Based on that, you have to simplify this sum number 4 in a homework. Hope that you will enjoy to solve these particular sums. It's a really very tricky, and you have to read the questions so very carefully in this particular condition, because sometimes at the end they may twist the questions. Maximum time twist होने के chances ये sum के अंदर है. Next is sum number 5. Here they had asked about one fraction which becomes a 9 by 11 and another fraction becomes 5 by 6. When numerator had been added by 2, it becomes 9 by 11, and when 3 had been added, it becomes 5 by 6. Let numerator is equal to x, denominator is equal to y. X plus 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 9 by 11. Do the cross multiplication of this, you will get 11. X plus 2 is equal to 9, y plus 2, so 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18, तो 11x minus 9y ये यहाँ पे जाएगा, that is a minus 22 plus 18 which is going to give you a minus 4. Here equation number 1. Same way, if you will add 3 on both numerator as well as denominator, the value becomes 5 by 6. This is the second condition. On once again cross multiplication, 6 over here and 5 over here. 5 को इसके साथ कर देंगे, 6 को इसके साथ, तो 6x plus 3 is equal to 5y plus 3. So we are going to get 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. 6x minus 5 is equal to minus 3. This is your equation number 2. So 6x is equal to, यहाँ पे से LHS से RHS लेके जाएंगे, 5y minus 3. X is going to become 5y minus 3 upon 6. Placing this in equation number 1, we get 11 5y minus 6 minus 3 upon 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. On simplification and taking LCM, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. 11 5 जा 55y minus 33 minus 9 6 जा 54y, that is going to give you a minus 24. Y 33 minus 24 is equal to 9. Placing in equation x 5 multiplied by 9, that is equal to 45 minus 3 upon 6. So you get x is equal to 42 divided by 6, that is 7. Now the assumed fraction is numerator is x, denominator is y, and so fraction x and y, we have got the value of y is equal to 9. So we have to put it in a denominator. X numerator, so we have to put it in a numerator. So new fraction is 7 by 9. Very important sums among all. Here plenty of the variety of the sums you can get for this particular sum, so please keep that sums in your mind. These are very important among all. Next is relevant to the age. Here 5 years ago from the age of the Jacob. अब सिंपल एक कंडीशन याद रख लीजिए, इफ़ 5 साल के बाद अगर आप मुझे मिल रहे हैं तो मेरे एज के अंदर अगर 5 साल बढ़ रहे हैं तो आपके एज में भी तो 5 साल बढ़े होंगे. सेम थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ओवर हियर. वन सम हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड 5 years hence एज ऑफ द जैकब विल बी ए 3 times ऑफ हिज सन. सन से 3 गुना है तो लेट द एज ऑफ द जैकब इज इक्वल टू एक्स, एज ऑफ द सन इज इक्वल टू वाई. आफ्टर 5 years तो एडिंग 5 in the age of the Jacob as well as in a son, it becomes 3 times of the son. On simplifying, x minus 3y is equal to 10. Same way x minus 5 5 साल पहले होगा तो सन के एज में भी 5 साल कम हो गया तो बिकम 7 times. सो x minus 7y is equal to सिंप्लीफिकेशन में बनेगा -30. दिस योर इक्वेशन नंबर 2. फ्रॉम 1 वी ऑब्टेन x इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 3y प्लस 10. प्लेसिंग दिस इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, 3y प्लस 10 माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू -30. सो -4y इज इक्वल टू ये इस तरफ जाएगा -40. y इज गोइंग टू बिकम 10. Substituting the value in equation number 3 we obtain x is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. Hence age of the Jacob means father is of 40 years and his son is equal to 10 years. This also comes in a way of a elimination method also. Same homework, repeat all the sums one time. And if you have any query, please contact on number 9638229462 along with your name and that. And hope you will enjoy the study in this particular session. We had completed the exercise that is a one method, that is a 3.3. That method's name is substitution. In next session we are going to see with a method of elimination. Thank you very much for being with us from Ajit Singh Rathod.